How do you fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi not connecting error? First things first, to fix the Windows 11's Wi-Fi not connecting issue, what you can do is simply turn off the airplane mode. Go ahead and tap on this panel on the bottom right corner, and once this pop-up menu opens up, make sure that the airplane mode is turned off, and also ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is also stable and working well. Once you ensure this, try to connect to it once again. And if this is still not yet working, what you can do is try to turn off your PC, unplug your modem and router for 30 seconds and turn them back on to hard reset the device itself. Now you can also run network troubleshooters. What you can do is simply open the settings application by pressing the Windows key and I button. And once the setting opens up, all you have to do is now simply go to the system. As you can see, I'm here on system. From here, scroll down until you find the troubleshoot options. There you go. Once you find it, go ahead and open this panel. From here, you can run the troubleshoot, and then once you find the internet connection or the network adapter option over here, click run and it should fix your problem. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.